The world of 360 cameras is heating up like never before. In 2025, three tech giants Insta360, DJI, and GoPro are preparing for a full-on war for dominance. At the center of this battle is the Insta360 X5, the reigning champ, praised for its balance of quality, usability, and innovation. But now, DJI is stepping into the ring with its rumored OSMO360, expected to launch on July 15th. Meanwhile, GoPro recently teased the long-awaited Max2 on July 8th. All signs point to a revolution in immersive content capture, but which camera truly leads the pack? Let's break it down from image sensors and video resolution to stabilization, audio, battery life, and ecosystem. First, let's talk sensors, the heart of any camera. DJI's OSMO360 is rumored to house a groundbreaking 1-inch square sensor with an enormous 120-megapixel resolution. That's an ambitious leap, especially when you consider that the Insta360 X5 uses dual 1.8-inch sensors with a 72-megapixel count. The OSMO sensor design isn't just about resolution, it's about performance. With a square layout, it draws less power and offers true 1-inch 360 image capture. The f1.9 aperture suggests great low-light performance too. GoPro, on the other hand, hasn't spilled the full beans yet. But early reports suggest a significant sensor upgrade for the Max to likely something beyond 6K resolution, but there are still too many unknowns to give it the edge. When it comes to video quality, all three cameras push the envelope. The Insta360 X5 delivers gorgeous 8K 360 footage at 30 frames per second. Backed by a 5nm AI chip and advanced image engines, it even introduces a new pure video mode that enhances clarity in dark environments. DJI matches that 8K 360 resolution but adds something more. An advanced pixel layout using 2.4 micrometers pixels and 10-bit D-Log M color grading. That means deeper colors, better dynamic range, and more control during editing. DJI also offers a single lens mode 4K at 120 fps or 5000 at 60 fps with ultra-wide angles. GoPro Max2 might go even further with rumors of 9.3K video, but that's still unconfirmed. Even at 8K confirmed, it's a leap from the original Max. However, DJI currently offers the most comprehensive video options. Now let's focus on stabilization, a must-have for any 360 shooter. Insta360 is known for its flow-state stabilization, and the X5 refines it even more. The result is smooth, gimbal-like footage even without extra hardware. DJI reportedly introduces a next-gen stabilization system, combined with 4120 fps ultra-wide capture and AI gesture controls. This promises unmatched fluidity. GoPro isn't standing still, either. The Max2 might feature a stabilization engine based on the GP2 chip from the Hero 11. If true, we can expect fast processing and impressive reframing options. But for now, DJI and Insta360 lead the pack in proven results. Let's talk audio, something creators often overlook. Insta360 X5 features an internal wind guard that's surprisingly effective. It's great for outdoor vlogging or travel shoots. DJI pushes the envelope here. OSMO360 will likely support dual DJI mic transmitters, enabling two-person interviews with pro-level clarity. It also records ambient audio with a built-in mic, adding richness to your sound design. GoPro's plans for audio are still unclear. Some sources mention a better onboard mic and a new external audio module, but until those details are confirmed, DJI holds the clear advantage. Battery life can make or break a shoot. Insta360 X5 includes a 2400 mAh battery, good for about 185 minutes of 5.7K video. Plus, it fast charges to 80% in just 20 minutes. DJI hasn't released battery stats for the OSMO360 yet, but their history of efficient power usage suggests strong performance. The square sensor could reduce energy consumption too. GoPro, unfortunately, has a history of average battery life. If the Max2 brings new power management and cooling systems, it could close the gap, but that remains to be seen. Let's now turn to physical design and build. Insta360 X5 impresses with its modular lens system and waterproofing up to 49 feet. It's rugged yet compact. DJI's OSMO360 is expected to be compact, voice and gesture controlled, and waterproof. The GoPro Max2 may go modular, allowing swappable parts. That sounds good on paper, but modular systems can sometimes compromise durability or waterproofing. DJI seems to aim for balance, keeping everything built-in but robust. The software ecosystem is often overlooked, but it's crucial. Insta360 leads with its studio and mobile app, filled with AI tools like automatic reframing, motion tracking, and subject recognition. DJI's app is no slouch either, known for intuitive UI and quick updates. The OSMO360 will likely integrate seamlessly with this ecosystem, offering powerful control and editing on the go. GoPro has improved its quick app, but it still feels less refined than Insta360's or DJI software. The Max2 might bring new features, but we'll need to wait and see. Speaking of creative control, DJI is adding layers of functionality, not just through hardware, but through intuitive user experiences. Rumors suggest that the OSMO360 could support multi-camera sync modes, where users can pair multiple devices for coordinated shots, making it ideal for professional environments like live concerts or action filmmaking. Add to that the potential for advanced gesture shortcuts and an improved old touchscreen for quick access to camera modes, and you've got a creator's dream tool. Another exciting feature that may separate DJI from the pack is its integration with their drone ecosystem. If DJI OSMO360 becomes compatible with existing drone mounts or even new aerial accessories, it could unlock a whole new realm of creative opportunities, one where creators could use the same camera on land, in water, and in the air seamlessly. That kind of ecosystem integration would make DJI a one-stop shop for many content professionals. Now, zooming back out to user experience, the DJI OSMO360 is expected to offer more than just powerful specs. It's also being built for simplicity. Tap to record, smart voice commands, automatic scene recognition, and even remote control via smartphone could all work together to reduce friction and let creators focus more on storytelling than technical setup. It's this combination of pro-level capability and user-first design that may ultimately set DJI apart. In conclusion, 2025 might be the year the 360 market truly levels up. DJI OSMO360 brings power, precision, and professionalism. Insta360 X5 offers balance and a refined experience, and GoPro Max2? That remains a question mark, an exciting one, but a question mark nonetheless. The battle is heating up, and creators everywhere are ready. The only thing left now is to see who delivers. In the next section, we'll focus entirely on the Insta360 X5, diving deep into what makes it the current industry leader and whether it has what it takes to keep the throne. Stay tuned.